How to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on an iPhone. Well, to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on an iPhone, first open up WhatsApp and head into settings at the bottom right corner. Once you head into settings here, head into notifications. Now you want to make sure that the show notifications is enabled, and under it you want to see sound option. You can select the sound here for your notification. Once you have selected the sound for notification, you can see here the call notifications. You want to find the call notification here option, and if you're unable to find it, you want to make sure that the notifications is enabled. So you can see in-app notifications. Now alert style non-banners alert, you want to make sure that the sounds here is enabled as well. Now once you have done so, make sure that your iPhone is not on do not disturb mode, and also here on your iPhone here you can see if you have iPhone 13 or lower, you should find this little icon here. With this, if you toggle this off and on, you can see now a silent mode is enabled. So you want to make sure that is not enabled as well. You want to make sure it is disabled, the silent mode. Next thing is make sure that your volume is not all the way down. So that will fix the issue. If it is still not fixed, if everything is fine, then you can simply reinstall the app, which will fix the issue, and restart your device as well. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.